So when it comes to the precise timing of an eviction, it can be really confusing for clients. There are a few 3-day windows that you'll have to be aware of. The first would be the 3 days after you've provided the eviction notice. That would be the failure to pay rent or vacate notice. So you'll give your tenant 3 days to come in compliance with rent. Once that 3 days has expired, you can then file a lawsuit. The lawsuit, once it's filed, a summons will be issued. That summons has another 3 days attached to it in which the tenant will have to answer the complaint. Now, if the tenant does not answer that 3-day complaint, we will request an order of restitution from the courthouse. That order of restitution will give the tenant 3 days to vacate the property. So what you're dealing with is a series of 3-day windows, 3 of them total, the 3 days for them to pay or vacate, the 3 days for them to answer your summons, and then if they default, 3 days for them to get out of the property. So there's a common misconception is that you can get a tenant out in 3 days. That's not necessarily the case. The overall process is still going to take 2 to 4 weeks, even though most of the notices the tenant will get will say 3 days on them. For more information, visit our website at froererlaw.com.